Atlas by Boston Dynamics is a highly advanced humanoid robot known for its agility and adaptability. Its intelligence and real-time perception form the core of its versatile design, making it suitable for real-world tasks. Using depth sensors and a cutting-edge control system, Atlas can effortlessly navigate complex terrains with speed and precision. Weighing 89 kilograms and standing 1.5 meters tall, its titanium and aluminum frame offers incredible strength while keeping it lightweight. Powered by a compact hydraulic system and a custom battery, Atlas can perform remarkable feats like jumping and doing somersaults. Although Atlas is not for sale, it serves as a platform for researchers to push the boundaries of robotics. On the other hand, Boston Dynamics quadruped robot Spot is available for $774,500, reflecting the company's top-notch technology. Voe smartwatch. Limix Dynamics Biped Robot P1. The Limix Dynamics Biped Robot P1 is a game-changer in robotics, combining advanced technology with smooth, human-like movement. This agile robot is perfect for research and commercial uses, featuring real-time motion capture, dynamic balance control, and precise joint movements that closely mimic human locomotion. Its sleek design and durable build make it versatile for tasks like high-tech research or interactive entertainment. With an easy-to-use control interface, programming and operating the P1 is a breeze, opening doors across various industries. Offered at a competitive price of $49,000, this robot delivers premium quality and capabilities. Whether you're in academia, robotics, or entertainment, the P1 is an innovative tool designed for forward thinkers ready to embrace the future.
Electric Atlas Robot. Boston Dynamics has introduced a new era for its Atlas robot with a fully electric version. This quieter, more agile machine moves beyond hydraulics to tackle real-world tasks. Designed with a human-like form, the Electric Atlas can navigate spaces built for people with ease. Its advanced control systems and sensors help it balance, adapt, and interact smoothly with its surroundings. Built to be stronger, faster, and more efficient, the Electric Atlas is set to play a bigger role in future applications, from industrial work to everyday assistance. DJI Avata 2. DJI has unveiled the Avata 2, an upgraded version of its popular FPV drone. Featuring improved flight stability, longer battery life, and enhanced video transmission, the Avata 2 is designed for a more immersive flying experience. Perfect for beginners and professionals alike, it brings precision control and stunning visuals to aerial cinematography. Leica BLK2FLY. The Leica BLK2FLY is the first fully integrated LiDAR drone. This autonomous flying laser scanner is equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance, making it incredibly easy to capture reality from above. Its main function is to create 3D point clouds by scanning the exteriors of buildings, structures, and landscapes while in flight. Operating the BLK2FLY is straightforward. Just define the area to scan, press a button, and it takes off. It also features an indoor mode for scanning large indoor spaces. With Reality Cloud Studio, you can upload data directly for storage, visualization, and collaboration. The BLK2FLY Live app for iPad acts as its remote control, offering live augmented reality (AR) views for seamless operation.
Leica Pipey Meet Pipey, the smart robotic survey vehicle built to handle tough environments and make infrastructure inspections easier. Designed to work in tight or dangerous spaces where people can't go safely, Pipey is perfect for surveying pipes, tunnels, and other critical urban and industrial areas. This six-wheeled robot comes packed with a 3D scanner and high-tech camera system, capturing detailed images and data in real time. Its compact build, advanced sensors, and adjustable height let it move easily through tricky terrains and tight spaces. By automating surveys, Pipey boosts safety, cutting down the need for humans to enter risky spots. It also speeds up data collection and ensures precision. This game-changing technology marks a big step forward in maintaining essential infrastructure with greater accuracy, safety, and efficiency.
LIPER Veteran Patent. The LIM Veteran Patent is an incredible exoskeleton suit made just for veterans, helping them walk again and regain their freedom. This life-changing invention gives them a second chance at movement, making daily tasks easier and boosting their confidence. Imagine a veteran who once struggled to stand now moving with ease, thanks to this amazing technology. The suit supports their body, helping them walk, climb stairs, and even do simple things like grocery shopping. It's designed to fit their needs, giving them back the independence they thought was lost. This isn't just about mobility, it's about dignity, hope, and reclaiming life. The LIM Veteran Patent is proof that technology can make the impossible possible, changing lives one step at a time.
Dream Glass Flow. The Dream Glass Flow revolutionizes gaming and entertainment with its lightweight and sleek design. Weighing just 59 grams, these glasses provide a stunning 120-inch virtual screen, perfect for gaming or streaming at home, on a plane, or in a cafe. Priced at $389, they work seamlessly with PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, and Steam Deck, making portable gaming more exciting than ever. With built-in Wi-Fi 6 and 5G support, you'll enjoy smooth gameplay with minimal lag. The glasses are adjustable for up to 500 degrees myopia and work with prescription lenses, ensuring a personalized fit. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or exploring 3D content, Dream Glass Flow offers a private, immersive experience with spatial sound and dual speakers. Designed for comfort and ease, these glasses are the ultimate companion for entertainment, anytime, anywhere.
EXCitybot. The EXCitybot transforms urban mobility with its integration into a smart ecosystem as a fully autonomous robot vehicle. Beyond enhancing rail-based traffic, it serves as a versatile public transportation and work system. Designed to communicate with other robots and the smart city network, the Citybot adapts to various roles thanks to its modular structure. It can transport passengers, deliver goods, clean streets, or maintain parks. By combining with utility modules, it handles any urban or industrial task, meeting the needs of growing cities and increasing traffic. The Citybot is an eco-friendly, efficient, and scalable solution. Paired with digital micropayment systems, it unlocks new business models, making it a game-changer for the future of mobility. Aravello's ETA Speed Bike. The Aravello ETA Speed Bike is a groundbreaking human-powered vehicle that holds the world speed record, reaching an incredible 89.5 miles per hour, 144.17 kilometers per hour. Designed by Todd Reichert and Cameron Robertson, this sleek bike proves how far human-powered transportation can go. Its lightweight carbon fiber frame and aerodynamic shell, combined with a recumbent riding position, help riders cut through wind resistance and achieve astonishing speeds. ETA isn't just about breaking records, it's a testament to innovation, engineering, and human potential. This incredible machine shows that with the right design and determination, human-powered vehicles can reach new heights, challenging what we thought was possible in speed and efficiency. The Leica X1 is a tiny, powerful, and precise tool. This compact device can capture real-world scenes and instantly create detailed 3D models without any need for post-processing. With real-time data capture and immediate previews, it's powered by cutting-edge SLAM technology, making it ideal for tasks like surveying, mapping, and 3D printing. Lightweight and fully integrated, the Leica X1 offers sub-millimeter accuracy thanks to its high-performance LiDAR sensor. Designed for ease of use, it's portable and user-friendly, perfect for fieldwork. Introduced in 2023, the Leica X1 has quickly become a reliable choice across various industries. Its compact design and precision make it a standout tool for professionals seeking efficient, high-quality results. Mars Rover Vehicle. Space exploration keeps pushing boundaries with the latest Mars rover vehicles. These advanced robots aren't just machines, they're scientific marvels on wheels. Packed with high-tech instruments and cameras, Mars rovers explore the red planet, collect data, and analyze the landscape. Their discoveries help us prepare for future human missions to Mars. Imagine the excitement of watching a rover navigate the alien terrain, sending back stunning images and valuable data. Each mission brings us closer to understanding Mars, and even the possibility of life beyond Earth. These incredible machines are unlocking the mysteries of our solar system, proving that the future of space exploration is brighter than ever.
01 pump. The 01 pump is a handy, portable air pump designed for quick and easy inflation of outdoor gear like air mattresses, inflatable boats, and camping equipment. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to pack and a must-have for camping trips or travel. With a powerful motor and multiple nozzle attachments, it fits different valve types and inflates items in no time, so you can get straight to enjoying your adventure. The 01 pump is rechargeable and comes with a USB port, letting you power it up conveniently using a power bank, car charger, or wall outlet. Built to last and simple to use, this pump is a reliable companion for all your outdoor activities. It's the perfect tool to save time and effort while setting up your gear. Autofuel worldwide. Autofuel is changing how we refuel at gas stations with its advanced robotics system. This innovative technology lets drivers stay in their car or grab a coffee while a robot takes care of refueling. Autofuel easily works with existing dispensers, requiring no changes, and supports all fuel types. It's designed for convenience, handling everything from car recognition to automatic payments. Plus, it's been approved for safe use around people and is the first robotic refueling system to be ATEX certified. Gas stations can now offer both manual and robotic refueling, catering to all preferences while speeding up service. Experience hassle-free, quick, and safe refueling at stations equipped with Autofuel, where smart technology makes your stop effortless and efficient. The Bulg electric leg prosthetic is designed to help amputees walk, stand, and sit more naturally with better stability and less mental effort. It reduces fatigue and offers a revolutionary experience. Weighing about 6 pounds, the device has a long-lasting battery that can power it through the whole day. Its standout feature is the integration of artificial intelligence and motor power, which boosts mobility. The FDA has granted the Bulg a Class II exemption, allowing it to enter the U.S. market sooner than expected, with a launch planned for late 2024. Compared to advanced bionic prosthetics in Japan, which can cost over $80,000, the Bulg will retail at roughly a third of that price, making it a more affordable option, though still a significant investment.
DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is an FPV first-person view drone designed for thrilling, high-speed flights. It features a 1/1.3-inch sensor that captures stunning, super-wide 4K footage. With easy-to-use motion controls and built-in acrobatic flight modes, even beginners can enjoy an exciting flying experience. The Avata 2 includes propeller guards and safety features like turtle mode, which flips the drone upright if it crashes, giving you peace of mind while flying. For the full immersive experience, you'll need DJI goggles and a compatible remote. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just starting, this drone makes capturing dynamic, high-energy footage easier and more fun than ever. Aravello Snow Scoot. The Aravello Snow Scoot is the ultimate blend of a scooter and a snowboard, designed for an exciting ride on snowy slopes. This innovative winter sports gear lets riders glide through the snow with the ease of a scooter and the stability of a snowboard. Built with a lightweight yet strong aluminum frame, the Snow Scoot is made to handle tough conditions while ensuring great control and smooth maneuverability. Its ergonomic design features a handlebar for balance and precise steering, making it easy to use for both beginners and experienced riders. Perfect for all ages, the Aravello Snow Scoot turns snowy landscapes into an adventure playground. Whether you're looking for a fun way to explore the slopes or an adrenaline-packed winter ride, this Snow Scoot offers a fresh and exciting way to enjoy the snow like never before.
The Rover robot by Ellis Technologies is a tough, all-terrain robotic platform built for both industrial and military purposes. Designed to handle challenging environments, the Rover features rugged wheels and advanced sensors like cameras, LiDAR, and GPS, making it capable of autonomous operation in rough or dangerous areas. Its AI-powered navigation system helps it plan optimal routes and adapt to changing conditions. Thanks to its modular design, the Rover can be customized for various tasks, such as surveillance, cargo transport, or inspections. With its strong construction and long-lasting battery life, the Rover boosts efficiency and safety, proving itself as a reliable solution for high-risk or remote operations.
Escape Stick. The Escape Stick is a compact, versatile tool designed for quick escapes from restraints. Measuring just 3 inches long and 0.31 inches in diameter, it weighs only 0.15 ounces, making it easy to carry. At its core, it features a diamond rod saw that can cut through metal, plastic, wood, and fibrous materials. The tool also includes a handcuff key integrated into the end of the saw. By using the saw as a handle, you can rotate the key to lock it into the housing, making it functional. This tiny yet powerful tool is a must-have for undercover operatives, travelers in risky areas, or anyone who might need to escape unlawful custody. Priced at $50, it's a potentially life-saving option for those in dangerous situations. The Outdoor Edge Knives Par Claw is also a notable product. EPER 400. EPER 400 UAS is a cutting-edge drone built for military and tactical missions, delivering real-time intelligence and reconnaissance. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and deploy quickly, ideal for fast-moving operations. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and thermal imaging, the EPER 400 provides clear, detailed visuals day and night, helping soldiers track enemy movements and analyze terrain. Its stealthy, low-altitude flight helps it avoid detection, and it can be controlled manually or operate autonomously, following preset waypoints and returning to base on its own. Built tough and designed for rugged environments, this drone is a game-changer for battlefield intelligence, offering unmatched versatility and tactical advantages. 4.0